Hey guys, welcome back to the hobby farm. Been on vacation for a while and just now getting back, and boy do we have a lot of stuff to take care of. I'm going to show you this garden here. This one isn't too bad. I should be able to get it weeded out within an hour or so. The pepper plants are doing great. Tomato plants, I got to get cages around them, get them staked and all that good stuff, and broccoli and all that stuff is doing great. This little garden here, the onions, you can't really see them because of everything here, but everything did come up. The corn, that's at Jim Corn from Paula Wells, and all the onions did come up. So the chickens didn't devastate this as much as I thought they did. But we're gonna go up and check on Porky. We got home last night from vacation, so I had to go up there, clean her pen, and get her all situated. But we got a lot of things we got to get into today. Mainly get the back garden. It's horrible, but get everything weed-eated, mowed. We got a lot of stuff to get into, so let's get at it. Okay guys, we're up at the pig barn, and the pigs want fed. Here's Porky. We're getting food. There's these two. We're getting bigger. These are the two feeder ones. He's doing that. We're over here checking a few things out here at the farm. So we need to clean up around here quite a bit. I'm gonna bring the weed eater up and get this all hacked down, and I'm gonna bring the tractor and brush hog, get all that mowed down. It's just hard for us to keep up with this place and our place down there, but being on vacation really put us behind. So all right, we're gonna get these guys fed and I'll get right back. Okay, we're all done up here, so let's get back to the hobby farm and get down to business and getting everything wrapped up there, and hopefully by the end of the day we'll be ahead of the game. So let's get to work. All right, so I got to get some of these weeds down the weed eater before I spray here. They go all the way around. And I'll take, get this all cleaned up. We're moving the camper out today, so this stuff can go underneath the lean-to. Actually, this just needs to be burned because it's just wet sawdust right now. But yeah, I'll weed eat all the way around here, and I'll take you guys back here to check on an update on the turkeys. Now these guys are growing pretty good, and I made a video and said I was going to come back to show you after we got them all in the thing, but for some reason I couldn't get that footage downloaded, so hopefully this one will work. But these guys are getting big, very, very big. So the pen's working out good. So, all right, let's get with the weed eating. Got a lot to do, and then we'll break out the old lawnmower and start mowing some lawn. All right, let's get to work. Okay, well, I got a little bit more to do over here by the round chicken coop and stuff, but that'll take a couple seconds, and then we'll go ahead and get the gravely out and start mowing. So let's get that little bit done, and then I'll show you the gravely. Also, before I forget, it's another thing that happened while we were on vacation. Kind of expected, but not really expected it.
Move.
See if she can find it. Where's it at?
It's behind her.
Where at?
Right?
You see her?
No, I don't see it. But most likely. Where's the baby at?
Where's the baby?
She back there?
Let's see if we can get her off of her.
Yeah, there it is.
There is the baby duck. Look at that. So we're gonna keep letting her set on those eggs. There was like 5 other ones that tried to hatch out. Not being here to give them a little hand, they didn't make it. So kind of unexpected, but expected. So awesome that we have a another baby duckling. So
And I need help.
that's pretty cool. But anyways, let's get back to work. Okay, well, I got the yard all done. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Got some of the garden right here. My daughter weeded it a little bit. Maybe you can see it a little bit better. We just got to get in there and do it a little better. But you can kind of see the onions. They're there. And then the corn's definitely coming up. So that'll be interesting. I got enough footage to make this video a good video, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this one here and then continue on. I got a few other things I gotta do. I gotta get that back garden weeded and get some of the cucumbers and stuff planted. That'll be another whole video, but I'm just gonna continue filming. But I'll go ahead and end this video here, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.